If you've been wondering how to get started with OpenAI ChatGPT, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the basics in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can sign in, start your first chat, and begin asking ChatGPT useful questions right away. This is a great place to start whether you want help with writing, learning, brainstorming, or just getting comfortable using AI for the first time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tech guides. Let's start with the first step, signing up or logging in. To begin, go to the ChatGPT website in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll see options to either sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. If you're new, choose Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. You may be able to use an email address, Google account, or another supported sign-in method depending on what's available in your region. If you already have an account, just click Log In and enter your details. After you're signed in, you'll land on the ChatGPT interface. This is where the real fun begins. The next step is starting a new chat. Look for the New Chat button or the option to begin a fresh conversation. When you click it, you'll see a blank chat area with a text box at the bottom. That text box is where you type your message to ChatGPT. Think of it like messaging a helpful assistant that can answer questions, write content, and guide you through tasks. Now it's time for your first question. The best part about ChatGPT is that you don't need to use complicated language. Just type naturally, like you're talking to a person. For example, you could say, "Explain AI in simple words," or write a short email, or "Help me understand this topic." The more clear your request is, the better the response usually is. But don't worry about being perfect. You can always improve your prompt as you go. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a response. Take a moment to read it and see if it gives you what you need. If it's close but not quite right, that's where follow-up questions come in. This is one of the most important skills when using ChatGPT. Instead of starting over, you can simply ask it to refine the answer. For example, you might say, "Make it shorter, add examples," or "Explain step by step." You can also ask it to change the tone, make it more professional, or simplify the language. This back-and-forth approach is what makes ChatGPT so powerful. You are not limited to one question and one answer. You can keep improving the result until it matches exactly what you need. If the first response is too long, ask it to shorten it. If it's too basic, ask for more detail. If you need it for school, work, or content creation, tell ChatGPT the context so it can tailor the answer more effectively. A helpful tip for beginners is to be specific with your requests. For example, instead of saying, "Write something," try saying, "Write a short email to my teacher asking for an extension." That gives ChatGPT more information and helps it give you a better output. You can also ask it to format the answer in a list, table, or step-by-step guide, depending on what you're trying to do. Another good habit is to experiment. ChatGPT works best when you use it regularly and try different types of prompts. Ask it to summarize text, generate ideas, explain concepts, draft messages, or help organize your thoughts. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become with how it responds and how to guide it. So to quickly recap, first you sign up or log in to ChatGPT. Then you start a new chat. Then you ask your first question in simple language. And finally, you improve the answer with follow-up prompts until it fits your needs. That's the foundation of getting started with OpenAI ChatGPT. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you want, watch the next tutorial to learn even more ways to use ChatGPT more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.